Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. This is Siren 211. It's a flattened birdhouse. It's on Camarillo Street and Cahuenga Boulevard here in North Hollywood, California. It's right next to a Department of Water power facility. Here's the map showing you where I'm at. So this one, a flattened birdhouse, and the electrical is all cut at the insulators below the basket, and the drop wire stops right up there below the insulators, so there's no electric to this one. And this one has been partially painted blue. Yellow is all chipped away and it's partially painted blue. So there you go, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. Flattened birdhouse, Siren 211 in North Hollywood, California. Part yellow and part blue. All right, thanks for watching.